StepfaWord.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah,
Good. Then we shall begin.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you loud, live, and direct from the darkest depths of your imagination. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up! Step forward.
Welcome to Step Forward, the spoken word podcast where AI meets creativity and reflection. This is Talk to Dee Book, where the work asks the author the questions. I am Dee Book. I carry the words. I ask the questions. Today, we explore Every Hoe Have Them Stick a Bush, written by my guest, Mycall Isrell, and performed by the amazing Amanda
Hi,
G.
Dee Book.
Welcome,
Hi, Dee
Mycall
Book. Can you hear
Isrell.
me?
Thank
Can
you
you
for
hear me?
being here.
Hi, Dee Book. Thank you so much for inviting me once again, and it's always a pleasure talking to my lyrics. People don't believe that my lyrics can ask me questions, and I tell them, say, watch the series from episode 1 right up to now, and they will say the lyrics can talk to me. Anyway, yeah, man, we do the thing.
Okay, Mycall, make we do this thing. You keep returning to the saying, every hoe have them stick a bush. So tell me, do you believe everybody truly has someone for them? Or is that just something people hope for?
Well, you know, the proverb says, every hoe have them tick a bush. And it's talking about there's somebody out there for everybody. It's not about every side chick of a sugar daddy. And it's not about keeping someone in the friend zone. This lyrics is about two people finding each other in this uncertain world of dating. You know, see it? Maybe they'll find the perfect fit. Maybe they can let things work together. Or maybe they'll wait for the perfect match. Old time people say, if you can't catch Quaco, you catch him short. And the Englishman say, if you can't get the one where you love, love the one where you get.
I'll give that a little reflection later. But for now, let's move on.
I look forward to that little reflection at the end. Anyway,
You warn people not to play with love or they'll get burnt. Why do you think people only start taking love seriously after heartbreak?
start taking love seriously because of heartbreak. Well, you know something, Dee Book? You know something? A cow never know the use of him tail until someone cut it off. People never know a good thing until them lose it. Yes, heartbreak happens in life. And it either teach you a lesson or it's payment for something you've done. The lyric says, don't play with love or you will get burned. That's why old time people say, fire there mush mush tail, him think a cool breeze.
Okay, Mr. Isrell, you say love is alright
Yeah.
when hearts align. So tell me, what really makes two hearts align? Is it chemistry, values, timing, or something deeper?
You know, everyone have them tick a bush. But what makes the blade and the handle fit together? What makes two hearts align? Is it chemistry, right place, right time? Is the cause and effect much deeper? Are you looking for love, intimacy, companionship, shared values? Or maybe it's just two people gone absolutely mad.
You say opposites cause power struggles every time. So tell me, when does attraction stop being exciting?
Attraction can fade when two people start pulling in the opposite direction, not true? And you get a power struggle, which is mentally and emotionally draining. It's a tit for tat, which is exciting at first, but then it becomes exhausting, not true? Your nervous system in a constant state of alert instead of peace. Uncertainty and anxiety replace emotional safety. That is not sexy.
Okay, Mycall, let's move on. You mentioned luck, fate, and Cupid giving people a gentle push. So tell me, how much of love is choice? And how much of it just happens to us?
Yeah. Yeah. A Cupid push you or a you jump. Yeah, you ask how much of romantical love is own choice or potluck. I couldn't quantify that equation. I just think whether you jump or Cupid give you a push, you're gonna fall. And sooner or later, you're going to either hit the ground running, which is luck, or hit the ground with a bump, and everybody are going to say, your fault.
And finally, Mr. Isrell. You say,
Yeah.
keep two eyes open and afterwards, only shut one of them. I like that line. So tell me, what's the difference between being in love and becoming blind in love?
The difference between being in love and becoming blind in love. The question is a little bit deceiving. That's why you have to look at what old-time people were saying, because they could be wise and hilariously funny. So when them say keep two eyes open and then shut one, what they mean is, when you're looking for love, keep two eyes open. Scrutinize every Facebook, Instagram, or every profile and every proposal. Scrutinize it, two eyes open. And then when you both committed, only shut one eye. You know, see, don't focus two eyes on their flaws or your differences. You understand? You have to have toleration in the relationship, right? So yes, there is a difference between eyes wide open and eyes wide shut. So be present in love and not willfully oblivious.
So before the page close, there is something to say. Here is Dee Book's little reflection. Some people searching for perfect love, like them shopping online with unlimited returns policy. Every hoe have them sticker bush, but sometimes people try and force rusty blade upon crooked handle. Heartbreak suddenly turned people spiritual, philosophical, and posting quotation upon social media at 2 o'clock in the morning. Maybe opposites attract, because people enjoy excitement, right until excitement starts affecting blood pressure. Cupid really dangerous, you know. Him push people off emotional cliff, then disappear before the landing. And maybe the real wisdom is not finding somebody flawless, but finding somebody whose rough edges no get pan you blasted nerves every day. Because every whore have them sticker bush, but not every handle built for every hand. Thank you, Mycall Isrell, for stepping into the page with us.
Oh, Dee Book, thank you so much for inviting me and taking the time out. And I want to say once again, thank you there to Amanda G for taking the time out and singing my lyrics for me. You can catch it up there. Okay? Yeah, thank you once again. And I hope to see you on the next episode. Take care. One love.
This has been Talk to Dee Book, a StepfaWord podcast. I am Dee Book. I carry the words the authors write, and I ask the questions. Until we meet again, stay with the work.
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. And thank you to our sponsors and supporters. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from Patwah Media.